You hear about the housing crisis, you only hear about the cities. Like that, like you only hear how bad it is in Dublin, how bad it is in Cork. The small towns of Ireland, like Carlow, is rapidly declining, and there's nothing being done about it. Like regarding the students, there's not enough student accommodation, and like there's Erasmus students coming over thinking they have houses, and then their deposits are just gone, rooms are gone. There's people like not even room sharing, but bed sharing. People are put in the same bed to share, and like a room in Carlow should not be costing the same amount as a city. Do you know what I mean?
As a construction worker, we feel we are being exploited in the workplace, and the same people that are exploiting us in the workplace are exploiting the emergency here with the housing crisis. So it doesn't take a lot to see how it all joins together, so that's why we're here, really.
As construction workers, our sector is extremely unstable. It's gone from boom to bust, and each boom to bust is getting less and less. Now, if we build 50,000 public houses, or we build 100,000, which I think is what we need, with a proper building plan, then our sector can be stabilised. People will come in and they'll train in our sector. At the moment, there's no training going on, and the level of craft, I'm a carpenter by trade, I did my stuff in Bolton Street, the gold standard. There's none of that out there anymore.
It's gone beyond now. I mean, my God, when you look around and there's women in hotels with children, it's so sad. I never had to endure that in my time, or none of my children have, but the grandchildren coming along now will.